Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Time flies over us, but leaves its shadow behind. Right now, we are learning chapter number 9, Time. It's time to get ready for writing part. Get ready with your notebook, pencil, scale and with bangle because we are going to draw the clock. Learning objectives for the whole chapter number 9 are reading time, how long is a minute, days of the week, content for fair book, read clock and write time, write name of the days of the week, fill in the blanks, match the following. Now look at here carefully, my dear students. The short end of the clock is the hour hand. The long hand is the minute hand. The clock has numbers from 1 to 12 on its face. The hour hand moves from one number to the next in 1 hour. The minute hand goes all around the clock in the same time. When the minute hand points to 12, the hour hand tells us what time it is. In this clock, you can see that minute hand is at 12. Hour hand is at 8. That means the time is 8 o'clock or 8. We always write the time using 2 dots. Minute hand at 12. Hour hand at 12. The time is 12 o'clock or 12. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. This was the revision how to read the time. This has been taken from Anjum's class timetable. Write the time in 2 ways to complete the puzzle. Maths period. You can see the clock which has numbers 1 to 12 on it. The shorthand is at 9 and longhand is at 12, which means it is 9 o'clock. We can write the time on this way also. 9 2 dot 0 0. Computer period. Now everyone, you can see the clock here which has numbers 1 to 12 on its face. The shorthand is at 11. Longhand is at 12. It means 11.00. It's 11 o'clock. Games period. You can see the clock where the shorthand is at 2. Longhand is at 12. It means 2, make 2 dots and 0 0. It's 2 o'clock. I hope you all understand how to read the time. Now write the heading. Draw the hour hand to show the time. Everyone, draw the clock first. If you wish, you can draw it in circle shape. If you wish, you can draw it in square shape. But draw the clock with me. Write numbers 1 to 12 on the face of the clock. Look. Leave some space between two numbers. Write the numbers on this way. Draw the long hand at 12. This is long hand. The time is 3 or 3 o'clock. Draw the short hand or hour hand at 3. I hope everyone has completed. Now again draw the clock. You can take the help of bangle to draw the clock. Write the numbers 1 to 12 on the face of clock. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Leave some space between two numbers. Now draw the long hand at 12. You have to draw this long hand from the middle. Write number 3 and 9 on the same point. Completed? Now see. The time is 1 or 1 o'clock. We have minute hand here. Now we have to draw the hour hand. Draw the short hand or hour hand at 1. The short hand is at 1, long hand is at 12. It is 1 o'clock. Draw the clock. If you wish, you can draw the clock in square shape also. Write numbers 1 to 12 on it. Leave some space between two numbers. Draw the long hand or minute hand at 12. The time is 7 or 7 o'clock. Here is number 7. Draw the short hand or hour hand at 7. Short hand is at 7. Long hand is at 12. It is 7 o'clock. Draw the clock. You can take the help of bangle. Write numbers 1 to 12 on it. Leave some space between two numbers. Draw the long hand at 12. The time is 6. So, look at here. This is number 6. Draw the short hand at 6. The time is 6 o'clock. Draw the hands on the clock. Write the heading, everyone. Draw the hands on the clock. Draw the clock, everyone. Write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The time is 2. We have to draw both the hands, long hand and short hand. As it is 2 o'clock, first draw the short hand at 2. The long hand or minute hand at 12. It is 2 o'clock. Now draw the clock. Write numbers 1 to 12 on its face. Make sure that leave some space between two numbers. The time is 12. First, draw the short hand at 12. Draw the long hand at 12. As you all know that when there is a 12 o'clock, the both hands are at the same point at 12. Once again, draw the clock. Write numbers 1 to 12 on it. Leave some space between two numbers. The time is 5 or 5 o'clock. Draw the short hand or our hand at 5. The long hand or minute hand at 12. It is 5 o'clock. My dear students, today we learn how to read the time, how to draw the shorthand on the clock, as well as how to draw the long hand on the clock. In next lecture, we make more practice to draw the hands. Now we are going to learn and write table of 3. Three ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Now, table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. My dear students, here we are going to make ending of the lecture. At your home, everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.